Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you all 5 habits that I incorporated in my morning routine for a better and healthy lifestyle. So during the initial days of quarantine, my life at home has really become sedentary and unproductive, and I was leading a very unhealthy lifestyle. Then one fine morning, I took some time off and told myself that probably this is the best time to incorporate some healthy lifestyle changes and lead a better and healthy life maybe. So yeah, from that day I started incorporating some small changes here and there all throughout my day and overall make the lifestyle more productive and healthy. And today I will be sharing my top 5 lifestyle changes that have worked out the best for me, and I hope you find it useful. So the first thing I tried to rectify in my lifestyle was to wake up at a proper and fixed time every day. Talking about the pre-quarantine time and also during the initial days of the quarantine, I had a really messed up sleeping pattern. So why not make it a routine to go to bed at a stipulated time and to wake up every day at the same time. So I made a routine for myself and I put my alarm on and tried to get up at a stipulated time every day. I generally set my alarm 8:30 every morning, but since I'm shooting this video on a Sunday, I'm waking up at 9 a.m. As soon as my alarm goes off, I make sure not to toss and turn in my bed but to get off immediately. Now, as soon as I get up from the bed, I make sure not to touch my phone immediately. This lifestyle change has been a lifesaver since I used to spend hours in checking messages and scrolling through the social media right up in the morning. But from when I have stopped doing it, my mental health has improved considerably. Unknowingly, we give so much to our social media, and so much news and so much information comes at once in the morning. Once you go through social media, it is really bad for your mental health, guys. So try to avoid getting involved into your phone as soon as you wake up. Instead, I try to put off my curtains as soon as I get up from bed to let some fresh air and sunlight into my room. Believe me guys, this refreshes me up like nothing ever. Now once I'm done with all the brushing and freshening up things, then the first thing I have, that is the first drink I have in the morning, is my detox water. This habit I have started very recently, about 1 to 2 months back, when I realized the importance of taking the detox water the first thing in the morning helps to get off all the toxins and all the junk that have been accumulated in your body throughout the night. So the first thing I take in the morning is my detox water. Currently my detox water consists of a cup of hot water with 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar to it. So once I'm done preparing my detox drink, I head straight to the balcony. There I make sure to spend some time with my plants, enjoy the cool breeze, look out what is happening out there around my house, and also enjoy my detox water. And the last and final habit that I try to incorporate in my morning routine is to make a to-do list. Oh my god guys, I can't explain how much important it is to make a to-do list for the day to bring out the maximum amount of productivity from me. I try to jot down all the tasks and chores that I need to complete within the day, and believe it or not, this has considerably increased my productivity and efficiency with my work. So these were the 5 habits that I have incorporated in my morning routine, and they have worked wonderfully for me. I highly advise you all to bring such small and healthy changes into your daily life, so that your life becomes much more healthier and much more productive, and believe me, you will be profited in the long run. And also during this pandemic and lockdown situation, every one of us are worried about our health and our future. So I think this kind of small healthy lifestyle changes will have a calming effect on your mental health as well, and also like it won't harm you guys, so why not try it? I hope you liked my video and found it helpful. So don't forget to hit that like button down there, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you like my content. So that was all for my today's video guys. Bye, take care, see you in the next video.